So we're on our way to a National Strip Till conference here in Nebraska, and we're traveling through South Dakota. Just got past Brookings, and we're getting a service call request from a customer who had bought a wireless blockage system, and he's having issues with setting it up, getting it to work. And so we walked him through a few things, and when it became apparent that we just could not solve his problem over the phone, Adam says, "Hey, I think we're gonna have to just come and work with you on it, so we'll see what happens."
Smells like some good barbecue in here.
Mm-hmm. Brisket sandwich.
There we go, wafting that smell out there.
Oh, we're gonna have to get that on the way back.
Too bad we only ate an hour and a half ago.
I know. We already stuffed ourselves for a late lunch.
But it smells oh so good. Well, we were told to look for a big bunch of grain bins, and that is where we will end up turning. And that looks like a big bunch of grain bins right out there. You just gotta love farmers' directions. Funny story, my hometown did not have any signs, any road signs, getting to my parents' place until I was in high school. So people would ask me, what street? I'm on this street. And I'd be like, I have no idea what you're talking about, because we didn't have those signs when I was little.
So what were the instructions when you were a kid? How did you tell people to get out there?
Go south from town. When the blacktop ends, you take a left. When you hit a stop sign, you take a right. And then you'll go up and around a hill. Then you'll see a gravel pit on your right-hand side. You turn left there. Yeah, that's about how you do it.
Did you guys get all that? Me neither.
Feels like you're gonna get a little sprinkle here. I'm Adam.
I'm Dave.
Hi there.
Hi.
I can connect to the, yeah, I'm just getting things set up. Hello, this is Adam. Hey, Mark. That was way more of an ordeal than I was hoping for. But we've got him up and running. We made a pass with him there. So he's good to go now. I think he's gonna have a great experience going, and I think it was great that we were on our way down here so we could help him get it reconfigured.
Yep, and it's only, what, 6 o'clock?
It's only 6 o'clock.
So we'll make it by maybe midnight.
Oh yeah, we'll make it
we'll
before
make
that.
It by midnight.
Anyway.
Well, this is good. Took care of him.